So it's one thing for me to stand up here and tell you that this is absolutely the best course in the entire world for learning Microsoft Excel, because that's just one person's opinion. And I want to corroborate, I have a hard time saying that word, I want to corroborate my opinion with the opinions of tens of thousands of other students. So everything you see sliding by right here are students who have left amazing reviews for me. I've literally taught almost 2 million students online, and I've received tens of thousands of 5-star reviews from satisfied, happy students. So when you learn something, you really want to make sure that you choose who you learn it from well. You want to choose somebody who could teach it well, because a good teacher makes all the difference. A bad teacher can ruin something for you. I remember when I was an undergraduate student, I had teachers who were horrible. I never wanted to take that subject again. And I had teachers who were great, and I would take additional classes in that subject just because I enjoyed that teacher. I actually ended up taking calculus, several additional classes in calculus, because the teacher was so passionate and so phenomenal. So having the right teacher is super important when you're learning material. And this course comes with somebody who's been teaching this material for over 2 decades to individuals of all ability levels. And I know you're going to be satisfied with the course. And it's not just my opinion, because look at all these other people who have left incredible reviews about all of my online courses. So this is a great course. I know you're going to be satisfied with it. There's a 100% satisfaction money back guarantee. If the price is too much, check out that financial aid video down below. And if you're ready to begin, just click that buy button and let's get started having fun learning about Microsoft Excel or taking your Excel skills to the next level. So click buy, and I'll see you in class.